In the world of woodworking, few avenues offer the satisfying blend of creativity, emotional value, and practical profitability quite like handmade wooden gift projects. These items, crafted with care, intention, and a deep respect for natural materials, represent more than just objects. They embody thoughtfulness, timeless beauty, and durability that mass-produced gifts simply cannot replicate. For a woodworker, whether a passionate hobbyist or a seasoned artisan, creating handmade wooden gifts opens doors to a rewarding path where meaningful craftsmanship meets viable income potential. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of handmade wooden gift project items to making money with beautiful and durable wooden pieces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The appeal of handmade wooden gifts lies first in their emotional resonance. In today's world of digital transactions and impersonal consumerism, people are increasingly drawn to items that feel personal and lasting. A wooden keepsake box, a carved serving board, or a finely shaped jewelry holder carries more than aesthetic appeal. It carries the story of its making. Unlike factory-made goods, handmade wooden gifts bear the subtle imperfections and human touch that transform them into treasured heirlooms. When a customer buys or receives a wooden gift, they're not just acquiring a product, they're receiving a piece of someone's time, creativity, and care. This emotional connection is exactly what makes wooden gifts such a powerful product in the marketplace. From birthdays and anniversaries to holidays and weddings, people are always in search of gifts that are thoughtful, beautiful, and meaningful. Wooden items offer all three, wrapped in the warm, organic charm that only real wood can deliver. The practicality for the woodworker comes in recognizing and meeting that demand through a diverse range of projects. From small, intricate items that can be made quickly and sold affordably, to more detailed and customizable pieces, the potential to generate income through handmade wooden gifts is both real and scalable. One of the most practical advantages of working on wooden gift projects is that they often require less material and time than larger furniture pieces, making them ideal for woodworkers with limited space, tools, or availability. A series of handcrafted wooden coasters, photo frames, or personalized name signs can be completed in a matter of hours or days, rather than weeks. This allows for a quicker turnaround, more varied product offerings, and greater opportunity for experimenting with new designs or techniques. For those just starting in woodworking, gifts are a perfect entry point, a manageable challenge that builds confidence and skill while opening the door to sales. Moreover, wooden gift projects are inherently customizable, which adds significant value to them in the eyes of the customer. People love personalization. It turns a gift into something unique and memorable. Whether it's a name engraved on a cutting board, a meaningful date carved into a keepsake box, or a monogrammed pen holder, customization gives the buyer a sense of involvement in the creative process. It also allows the woodworker to charge higher prices, as personalized pieces command a premium due to the time, detail, and emotional connection involved. Customization transforms woodworking into storytelling, each piece tailored to a moment, a memory, or a milestone. Beyond their sentimentality, wooden gift items are practical and durable. Wood, as a material, has an unmatched natural strength and resilience when properly treated and maintained. A well-made wooden gift doesn't just look good, it lasts. This durability adds long-term value and ensures that the gift can be used and appreciated for years, if not generations. In a market often dominated by disposable goods, handcrafted wooden items stand out as sustainable and meaningful alternatives. For consumers looking to spend their money wisely on items that are both functional and beautiful, wooden gifts provide an excellent option. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. Sustainability also plays an increasingly significant role in consumer decision-making. The modern buyer is more conscious of where products come from, how they're made, and the environmental impact of their purchase. Handmade wooden items, especially those made from locally sourced or reclaimed wood, appeal to this eco-conscious mindset. They carry with them a sense of environmental responsibility and natural beauty that synthetic, mass-produced gifts cannot match. For the woodworker, this means embracing a philosophy that aligns with broader values of craftsmanship, sustainability, and intentional living, all while building a business around it. Marketing wooden gift projects is also relatively straightforward, thanks to the visual and tactile appeal of the product. These items photograph beautifully, showcasing the natural grain, smooth finishes, and thoughtful details that make them irresistible. Platforms like Etsy, Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and even in-person craft fairs provide ideal spaces to display and sell these creations. With compelling storytelling, quality images, and excellent customer service, a woodworker can build a loyal audience of buyers who appreciate the care and skill behind each item. The price point of wooden gift items also makes them appealing to a wide range of customers. While custom furniture might target a niche, higher-end market, wooden gifts can cater to everyday shoppers. Smaller items like bookmarks, utensil sets, or wall hangings can be priced affordably, making them perfect for impulse purchases or budget-conscious buyers. Meanwhile, more intricate or personalized items allow for higher margins. This creates a diverse pricing model that can adapt to different markets and seasons, from holiday rushes to wedding season to year-round home decor sales. From a creative perspective, wooden gifts allow the maker to constantly evolve. There's freedom to try new designs, explore different wood types, and test out finishing techniques. This keeps the work fresh and enjoyable, helping to avoid the burnout that can come with repetitive large-scale production. Whether crafting a minimalist candle holder or an ornately carved trinket box, each project becomes a small canvas for creativity and craftsmanship. Over time, a woodworker can develop a distinctive style or signature collection that sets their work apart and builds brand identity. Perhaps most importantly, the act of creating wooden gifts reconnects the maker with the core of what woodworking is all about, transforming a raw, natural material into something meaningful, lasting, and beautiful. It's a process that fosters patience, pride, and a deep appreciation for both the material and the craft. The satisfaction of seeing someone light up when they receive a handmade gift is deeply rewarding. It's a moment where the work transcends wood and tools and becomes part of someone's life and memory. In the practicality and natural grace of handmade wooden gift projects offer a powerful opportunity in the woodworking world. They combine functionality, beauty, and emotional value in a way few other products can. For woodworkers, these projects offer an accessible, customizable, and profitable path forward, whether pursued as a passion, a side hustle, or a full-time business. Through skill, creativity, and dedication, handmade wooden gifts become more than just products. They become meaningful connections, sustainable choices, and a celebration of the timeless elegance of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden gift project items to making money with beautiful and durable wooden pieces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.